Hey there, programmers. I wanted to talk about Grandma 3 videos and explain why I haven't made an intro series for those like I did with the Grandma 2. I made that series for MA when the Grandma 2 was first released, and as we all know, consoles are in constant development. So there's a lot of things in those videos that eventually ended up looking completely different. And while the Grandma 3 software is in public release, it's still in active development. That doesn't mean it's unusable, it just means they're still adding to it. And that's normal and good. It does mean things are going to change, so I don't feel like it's the best idea to do a full training series right now. But since most of you are already Grandma 2 programmers, I think the thing that's going to help us the most is to start looking at the features in the context of the Grandma 2. See what lines up and what's completely different. We'll also talk about new concepts and how I think we might use them. Let's face it, I'm not tech support, I'm a programmer like you, so I think it's best if I try to explain things from a programmer's point of view. So first, we're going to start with this series of Grandma 3 for Grandma 2 programmers, and then later on, I might still make a training series for programmers of all levels. For now, if you're not already a Grandma 2 programmer but you want to dig into the Grandma 3, what I would recommend is that you sign up for MA Lighting's MA University. They've got the official e-learning platform, and most importantly, it's free. So start there if you like, or start with me in my series. You can subscribe to my channel Console Trainer on YouTube to get notified when the new videos are released. And hey, thanks for watching.